Good day, I'm Theodore Henry, and this is your JIS News for Friday, June 16. Prime Minister Andrew Holness is making it clear that government is determined to confront the savagery of gangs who breed fear and destabilize the operations of the country.
The state cannot sit by and allow this to continue. But we recognize the errors of the past. The state has to be focused and targeted and strategic and driven by intelligence on the perpetrators.
Mr. Holness was speaking at Thursday's launch of the two-day Multilateral Crime Summit in Kingston, organized by the U.S. Embassy. While urging the security forces to attack the crime problem with resolve, the Prime Minister reiterated the importance of doing so with respect for human rights and in cooperation with the Independent Commission of Investigations, INDICOM.
We have to find the right way to strike the balance to ensure that our policemen feel motivated, that they are willing to go out there without worry that after they are trying to do the right thing, they end up on the wrong side. We have to find the right balance to ensure that criminals don't feel that they can use the existing laws as a way to protect them.
Meanwhile, National Security Minister Robert Montague says that the security forces' #1 priority is stemming the flow of illegal guns, which are used in 80% of crimes committed in the country. He says this is being addressed through investments in 2 ships and a surveillance plan, the Intelligence Network, and the Forensic Institute.
Let there be no doubt that we're also targeting lottery scamming, corruption within the police force, human trafficking, and cybercrimes. We are moving to leverage technology, CCTV, enhanced forensics, big data analytics, and the hardening of our cyber defenses.
Minister Montague was also addressing Thursday's Multilateral Crime Summit. He called for an all-of-society approach to quell crime.
What will bring success is an increase in public trust, a partnership with our communities, respect for people's rights, less corruption, stemming the flow of our youths into gangs, the use of technology, a calm and informed citizenry, and strong leadership.
Parliament is now inviting public submissions on the Law Reform, Zones of Special Operations, Special Security and Community Development Measures Act 2017. The legislation is designed to give effect to a well-established security and community building strategy dubbed Clear, Hold, Build. It will allow the Prime Minister to declare any high-crime area of Jamaica a zone for special security operations and community development measures. The bill is being reviewed by a special appointed Joint Select Committee of Parliament, and public opinion is being sought as part of that process. Submissions must be made in writing by June 20 to the Clerk to the Houses at Gordon House or via email clerk@japarliament.gov.jm. A copy of the bill may be found on the Parliament's website at japarliament.gov.jm under the heading Publications. Persons who make a submission may be required to appear before the committee at short notice to clarify their opinions. And finally, an entertainment insurance plan is to be established. Culture Minister Olivia Grange says proceeds from the sale of the 2017 commemorative Jamaica 55 album will provide seed funding for the establishment of the insurance plan. That Jamaica 55 album will feature iconic entries of the festival song competition. Minister Grange says the entertainment insurance plan is to be created similar to that of the athlete's insurance plan.
It is very heart-rending at times when our artists, well-known, iconic artists, they pass away and there are difficulties even being able to get the funds to see that they have a decent funeral. There are situations where some of our artists who have had world-renowned exposure, they are ill and they can't get the kind of medical treatment that is necessary. And so we felt it was important that for Jamaica 55, we put in place a program that would assist the industry and assist these artists.
The minister was speaking at Wednesday night's launch of Jamaica 55 Independence celebrations. Independence Grand Market and fireworks on the waterfront on Monday, August 7 are among a week of activities planned to celebrate the milestone. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Theodore Henry. Thanks for watching.